Okay, it's recording. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel and my messy room.
We're gonna be moving JD out and moving JD into my place.
To Eric's place. We're living together. Ta-da.
Oh my god, these are so tight.
In the past month, I have moved my stuff, like 90% of my stuff, to Eric's place. I mean, this weekend we just need to sell my furniture and move the rest of stuff to your car, my car, and clean the whole room, and that's it.
Yeah.
A person is gonna come here to pick up the bed frame very soon, so we're gonna
So JD wants to keep talking. He wants to keep talking.
Yeah, we need to end
the
this.
person's gonna knock on the door and go,
Yeah,
I'm sorry, can I give you a product here? Making a video.
You got a point, so we need to stop right here, and we have some stuff to do. Okay, so bye. That person's gonna be here, and we haven't finished our job yet. Anyway, he's bringing the two here, so we're gonna do it together.
What a seller.
It's fun. Ta-da! Got the money. I'm selling this mattress too. I'm a businesswoman. Hello, this is Saturday, the second day of moving out. We're gonna disassemble the dining table and chairs. Somebody's gonna pick them up.
My friend from high school. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, bye. Oh my god. What do we choose?
Alexa, play music.
Here's Spotify.
Eric bought me on my birthday last year. Yeah, since then, I haven't used it yet.
This is packing clothes.
This is our last task today. We're so exhausted at this point.
Oh my god, these are so tight.
In the beginning, I thought there's not much left for us to pack, but I don't know what happened. Just more and more things come up.
Packing is...
And it's, yeah. And it's kind of like when you have so many tasks to do, you'd rather do nothing. You know, it's so hard to pick one to do now. I lost the sock. I'm so tired. I'm so tired today.
Bad day? So much vacuuming, so much moving, crap. We're gonna go to bed now.
Closet, my small tiny closet is almost empty, so right now we're just gonna put this stuff in a suitcase and then we'll clear this small closet.
Look how disgusting this is. It's not even coming off. Get animal fries.
Celebration for me moving. Wait, the celebration just the fries?
That's it.
Celebration. We're eating this ice cream cake and watching
Harry Potter.
Yeah, we're watching Harry Potter movies now.